Ahoy there, me shipmates, how you all doing today? Sorry about that, it had to come out though. Okay, we've got Mr. Jeremy Fisher. It's a frog, and it's a 50p, my favourite coins. I love 50p rings, I think they're great. I love them to bits. 2017. Right, that comes J-Lo. Bloody J-Lo. Good name for this though. Right, let's go over. It's a big Bertha. Got glass bouncing around again. Right, this is my 20-ton hydraulic press. She was leaking a bit yesterday. Okay, got to slap her on the bottom again. Who's a naughty girl then? Right, that's good. How's everybody doing? I'd like to thank my latest people for subscribing and hitting the like button. If you haven't subscribed, it's free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me out in no end. Right, I just want to clean the edge up a little bit, so we'll break out Christy Burr. Here's a deburring tool. You want to clean up the edges, make sure there's no cracks forming or splits. You know the score, you've heard it before 1,000 times. Well, not 1,000 times, because I've only done about, what? I don't know how many videos I've done. I'll have to have a look. But if you're new to the channel, this cleans up while I punch through. Now that's nice and clean. Right, let's break out the fire starter. Or Bernie for short. I love 50p rings, I think they're great. Okie dokie. That's good. Okay, there we go. Now we want to fold it, and I think we're going to go for Mr. Jeremy Fisher on the sunny side up on the ring, so that goes face down. Sorry, Lizzie. I just want to make sure it's level, or as level as you think it is. Right, let's go over to my 1-ton arbor press. They call this folding, I don't know why. Right, let's break up Sandy. You just want to clean up that edge, make sure it's nice and clean, no scratches. Look at my fingers, Jesus, wet man. There you go. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, you can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a few rings in there. All in EU sizes, but if you want that particular ring, I can adjust it up or down for you. I can make them slightly larger or slightly smaller. Right, let's take this over to spike, my favourite tool. Into the kitchen roll. And this little baby stretches your ring. This work hardening again. Looking good. I think we need to give it a bit more love with Bernie, the fire starter. You got any comments or thoughts or ideas, or drop them under the video. I answer all my comments, good or bad. I haven't had too many sad ones yet, but this time I'm sure they'll come eventually. Eventually. That's Manuel saying, wasn't it? 40 Towers. Eventually. That was a great series. They don't make stuff anymore, do they? Everything's repeats or rubbish. I don't watch TV much anymore. Most of the stuff I watch is on YouTube. How's she looking? Bit more. A bit more. Give a bit of a turn each time. That way you stretch your ring evenly. I know, I can't help it laughing at that. It's just amusing. I think we can go a touch more. I do like 50p rings though. What's going on? Okay. Let's give it a bit more love with Bernie. And then straighten it up a bit. That's more than enough. So we'll give it a bit more, shall we? Let's go crazy. Okay. Okie dokie. Right, let's go down to the bottom of the spike. Will this fit in there? Yeah, I can get a bit there. This is the same 17-degree die I used to so-called fold it. You just want to straighten the walls up. Or a touch more, I think, yeah. Is there any more there? Maybe a little bit. How's that looking? Yeah, that's looking good. Good and sexy. So look at my eye as well. Sometimes, I don't know why, but on the camera it's really deceiving sometimes. Yeah, that's pretty sexy. Right. I think there is a little bit. There's a little bit of a lip. Yeah, there is. Some of these 50 pieces, none. But on this one, there's a little bit of a lip in there. So you want to cut that away. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear, and it just gives you a full size as well. Once you've cut this out, it gives you another half size bigger, or maybe a full size bigger sometimes, depending on how much you've got to cut away. And the best way to do it is to check it with your nail. Yeah, I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for subscribing, and my thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, there's a little button bottom right hand corner of the video. Hit that, you'll automatically subscribe. Hit the bell icon, and you'll get notified every time I upload a video. I try to do one every day, but occasionally I just can't. I might be washing my hair or doing my fingernails, you know, and I can't get to the. I can't make anything. It's a hard life, you know. Right, let's get out Dave the Dremel and put in Kate Bush. Yeah, I love 50p rings. I think they're great. They're greater than a great thing. This is just quad zero steel wool on the end of this. Doesn't really scratch them. Just cleans off the fire scale, brightens them up a bit, makes them look sexy. I do clear coat these rings, but I don't do it until I've sold them. I mean, on the market or the Christmas market, obviously they're clear coated there and then. But if you used to buy this and it's already clear coated, and you wanted it changed to a different size, it would ruin the clear coat. So I leave it now until it's sold, and then I clear coat it. If it's you know, 90% silver coin, then obviously I don't bother clear coating it, because silver's doesn't go that bad. Right, clean the mandis. Let's get rid of Kate and stick in Felton John. This is just a felt pad on the end of this. At the end of the video, my girlfriend cleans these up more, because my fingers are still covered in bloody polish and oil and Weetabix. They'll get a bit warm. Wow. Right. What we got? What we got? What we got? What we got? Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Mr. Jeremy Fisher. So if you've got a family member called Jeremy or Fisher, there's a ring for them. Don't you just love these 50p rings? I do, they're my favourite. That's why I use the kitchen roll on the inside. You don't lose any of the detail. Pretty damn sexy if you ask me. It's my little finger. Just lovely jubbly. And what size we got? You always measure from the reeded side of the coin. Well, this isn't reeded, it's milled, but it's scalloped, but same thing. It's the thickest part of the coin. And EU size, we've got a size 64 3/4, nearly 65. But I can adjust the size for you. Thanks for watching. Please hit all the buttons and the likes and the dislikes and every button you want to press. Have a great day. Catch you tomorrow. Be good. Tell me bye-bye.